Assalamualaikum sir. Welcome in my presentation reading murder. I choose the case of murder for my presentation. So my presentation topic is a criminological case study on very talkative case on that time. This case name is 917 murder case. So I am MD Hasif from 8th semester Department of Law AIU. First of all, I want to give you overview about my case. In this case, there is a 7 victim names: Counselor Nurul Islam, 3 of his associates, driver along with the senior lawyer at the district judge court, Chandrakumar Sarkar and his driver. In this accused list, 26 people include former Awami League's leader Nur Hossain and 60 ex-RAF officials include Tariq Said, Arif Hossain and Masud Rana. The relation between victim Counselor Nurul Islam and accused Nur Hossain. They are same associates, but Nurul Islam, old councillor. Other side, the Nur Hossain is a panel councillor. This abduction was happened in 27 April 2040 at noon stadium on Link Road. Then on the afternoon of April 30, the police want to search the area about 1 kilometer of Shitalakha river and brought back 6 bodies one by one. The body of a man was recovered on the morning of 1st May. So this is a short overview about my case. Now I go my case facts. Nurul Islam and his 4 associates were going to Dhaka on 26 April last year on bail in the case. Their car reached stadium on Link Road at noon. A member include Arif and Rana, who were already waiting here, stopped Nurul's car and picked up 5 people with them. Lawyer Chandra Sarkar and his driver Ibrahim were in the back car. Seeing in the incident, RAB also picked them up. At the direction of Major Arif, 7 people was pushed unconscious by pushing injection. Arif Abul, Arif himself and Hiramia Bellal Punit Bala killed 6 people by warping polythene in these faces. Then they took the body in a car and reached the landing station of Kanchurpur Bridge. At that time, Sergeant Enamul Emdad Bellal brought big bricks bag and drove in another microbus. Under Arif's direction, the brick bags and bodies were taken the toller. The bodies were pitched under the leadership of Arif and brick bag were tied to each corpse and thrown into the river. Thirdly, I discuss about the case judgment. The case held at 2 court first Nanganj court after High Court. The Nanganj court accused all the 35 names of the charge sheet for the 7 murder incident. The formal trial of the case in Nanganj began on the 29 February 2016 and the process is ongoing. On 60 July 2017, Nanganj court awarded the death penalty to 26 people, include former Awami League leader Nur Hossain and 60 ex-RAF officers, including Tariq Said, Arif Hossain and Masud Rana in the 7 murder case. 9 other partners of the Nur Hossain and ex-RAF member were also punished to different terms in the judgment. The judge on his judgment said that the charges of abduction, murder, concealing the bodies, conspiracy and destroyed evidence were proved beyond any doubt. High Court reversed lower court verdict in sensational 7 murder case. Upheld death penalty for include expelled Nanganj Awami League leader Nur Hossain, 3 ex-RAF officer. The court, however, committed the capital punishment of 11 others to life imprisonment. Now I reach at my ending part. I end discuss by what criminology says. What they discuss about this murder by criminology aspect. For the side it goes to the level of murder, who is the first degree murder. So we want to know what is the first degree murder. First degree murder occurs when a person kills another after premeditation and deliberation. Premeditation means the killing was considered previously and suggests that it was motivated by more than a simple desire to join in an act of violence. Deliberation means the killing was intent after careful thought rather than the create out on impulse. The constitute is deliberate and premeditation. Killing must the word and consider the questions of killing and the reasons for and against such a choice. Having in mind the questions, he decided and does kill. This case is a personal relationship case because Nur Hussain and Nurul Islam were the leader Amalik. The friend abducted Raf and leader killed them and drowned her bodies in the river. Last of all, I would like to thank my honorable teacher for listening my presentation.